IGC News. Bema Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news in Kwanamidi. Bremo. Nuti so we now subscribe ya or more than say we subscribe to the channel. The way I say we click the subscribe button. Now we barely notification. When sir you be happen when the first person out sir beka a video. I feel we are now like video. My thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for us. So now when you be here now who and someone else ewo Ghana memoano. I feel you be and someone about the toy yeponoso. Yiti a yes and Samira Ekose report ya about to the Yiti Yakoso. Yiti.
Akufo Addo, he is not corrupt or a wicked. Akufo Addo or a wicked man or a criminal. What's corrupt or a wicked? Sounds a criminal. Sa akokora na oti ho no.
I am a flatter no. Why am I on way?
Oh, I know the empo de mi gusu na nra de asema amete ya de empo de unia Ghana de mpanimfo no waton Ghana.
Ebio.
Oh, I'm waton Ghana, Mr. B. I'm telling you.
And the other yatisem anyway, yatisem.
And yatisem me say asema America bi aminsuru Akufo Addo no. Ye ka Akufo Addo, he is not corrupt or a wicked. Akufo Addo or a wicked man or a criminal. What's corrupt or a wicked? Sounds a criminal. Sa akokora na oti ho no. He doesn't deserve to be called a president.
I have to sabi.
Men to sabi. Me say minsuro no opa they should go and sue me. Minsuro no kromfo. Who gave him the power? Ghana na yene dia. Ghana no yene dia.
2 minutes dia yene ya de man no.
Ghana na yene dia o. You shouldn't dare me. A kromfo asefo. Would I make catch the and rescam because we trillions of dollars? Trillions of dollars. I'm about to invest trillions of dollars in Ghana. Oh, see, Yamma 10%. Akufo Addo.
Hey,
Yamma 10%. And I tell our mama, Anthony Power for Mama. Akufo Addo kromfo no. Na yana Ghana for when I'm also sort of so. Ghana for na so no omubu so ye president. Why? From futechi am we dini criminal way.
Frank, we yes sir. Unjin tum se bia enkrofo bi na ehye baby no mo pese omo hye da frame you up because some na no dey. Na mo konkwasi mu for defamation. With documentation, everything is there. Every evidence they have given to me. Na me maka say ma me evidence. As I'm speaking, there is an investor or Dubai or per visa Ghana or a Russian almost the whole immigration boss almost Akufo Addo say ma Russian be a visa to Ghana until say about to we no man visa to Ghana or be or be Mahama NDC am election. I'm telling man or Dubai, I no kasa say or Dubai, I no kasa say. Wababedi more than 1 week in Dubai. I am telling you, na me kasa ma Akufo Addo. Muna munim no from forcer. Now me sure no omo pamfa me woso. I am daring them some lawyers. They should go and sue me for defamation. Say akwa sue hoops na do. I am daring them. Me bomb pie some akwa sue me for defamation. From forcer. The least amount of money. COVID now, Akufo Addo kwaje $3 billion from IMF. No? The same investors they granted about $5 billion. Almost say chire enema wuhia no Ghana. Na ye na ankasa ye meye ma Akufo Addo say ye mfa sika na anhya ne nsam ompene ampa wanyi sika no wama investors na ma meboa Ghana. E na okokwaje IMF kotobi kuma. Meanwhile the IMF $3 billion no. Who Kwaku and I am far more in bulk. This $5 billion in bulk. Hey,
Akufo Addo say young first carrying in some. Now one who can know ye Jimmy for that who Addo more bra. Yemefa $5 billion showing some. Omo de koi Akufo Addo anye. Say I'm first carrying in some tino or monfanko. Ekwaji kotobe kuma IMF. Me say on 23rd of June 2020, $50 billion. I have the document here. Omo de ba be invested. Ewo Ghana ha. Akufo Addo say ohia 10%.
I have it. The letter of credit, confidential. My fans and Obia, but they have sent to me just to prove myself. So even if there is any case, they are ever ready, and I can present those information in court. And every document you want to be ano, ebi wa Akufo Addo no ho. Please. Messi abe enra metewana me say no, I have to stop politics. I have to stop politics. Ye babe see terminal plant. 1.3 billion. Yes, my yamfa magana. Yamfa nkoku Togo. NPP for. Say my yamfa magana na Ghana politics nenye. Intini yankonko sino Togo. I'm telling you. Me say I have the information. NAPO.
You are watching Juicy News
NAPO,
on YouTube.
NAPO so up vice president. Nipa boron force. Na mumu the NPP people, no, they are a bunch of criminal and thieves. I am daring them say they should go and sue me for defamation. Trouble. Investors, almost 1 good hour. We had a conference call. Investors, more the least amount, $3 billion. Okay, $1 trillion, $5 billion, $10 billion. Ni na Akufo Addo na akwawe saa akwawe atachia ni dini na honam se atachia yani ntina ajapade omope Ghana ajapade no. They are coming to invest in works and housing, affordable housing. Atachia say ohia $124 million and sana wa peneso ama ba bisi affordable house wa Ghana. Me I am telling you, we are see atachia say na yire Sako investors no omonfa ne yere as their lawyer. Attaching. No omonfa so fa these are conditions. Or the $124 million plus yensan so fa ne yere as company no lawyer. Criminals a would for. Now can see esuro bi okurum ha. Ghana na nyo obi ade o. I am daring them. NPP for almost board. They should go and sue me for defamation. Catch you when I touch on a lawyer. I am daring him. They should go and sue me for defamation. And obviously, will be Robi Okrumha. I would deform Crom for Momokurana, Moti Bajumpa, more than Dampomosumu Yinipa. Yashamonim, Kweku Annan, Muno Munina Yape. Kweku, Yashawanim Kweku Annan, Uno Munina Yape. I don't be Naba Domoso, and a Wababi Dia so. Now we put mine from 1 minute Ghana for her. The Ghana mabre. Me say I am telling you, Opa say who give you Ghana? Who give you Ghana wahunu? Me say who give you Ghana to me? Not just 1 year. When you find develop Ghana moon to me. Me say all the Ghana just Japan Canada is true. Just 1 year or the just 1 year be develop Ghana. And I say be Ghana sika investors ya Ghana for mo amanonia omo ankasa any other foreign a year omo ba be boa Ghana for development no be betimi atini sika 5 billion na ka kiro say president ka ohawa wo man no face ka de wo pese me yemaw na me ankasa me yemaw what did that?
Wow.
You got to see Prempeh airport. Prempeh airport e be take 5 million passengers per year. 50 million passengers per year. Now, Kotoka International Airport domestic because Kotoka take 2 to 3 million passengers per year. Akufo Addo ne Sicilia da pa kromfo no. Ohia ne wege obeka so da dakam. Kromfo no. Okay, yenkosi 5-star hotel. Emano. Yenkosi 5-star hotel e contain 120 best capacity emana ansana wasign. Because of that into one sign. Emrofo investors makuma kusa 10 and mobile kurumu ha ya pama mo amosan so koe. $1 billion. Na momo tete okonya sa gorobo asin kurasifuo bi oboso so mu di party achi wo kasa mo so mu ye petrol na mo di nsehunu ne nkwase asem e ke kan semhunu kirewo na wonim udebe na mo wonim kurasifuo ya sesa nkurasifuo ne wudifuo ne akromfuo e na ye heli omo na mo di Ghana so Christ of Nazareth nyankopon na kuma nyankopon na kuma emre kuma
na Frank wo no ebansa na wo
who was some information that honorable Kennedy Agyapong way.
Oh, one thing is, some may very amount for they trusted me. I'm telling you.
That's me and a member. That's how we feed the honorable. I know we feed the info.
Oh, those if they and let's say me no almost say and say your casa almost say they obi a omo gidi say omo nene be ye adwuma ye omo person ba be hu no na bo ken. But now Akufo Addo penso de omo say la lie. Say NPP and free power party ala lie. Omo ma. But the NPP free power, I am assuring any government. So also bana wa me ye kronosem. Nesa Buddhism we are. I am assuring any political party or babia, apart from NPP party, within a year we can change Ghana. I'm telling you, just mark my words.
Yeah.
Trillions of dollars no more beba. Trillions of dollars. There is an investor. Obabesi fertilizer factory. Over $200 million. Or the Sikano buy. Mumisa Ken Ofori Atta. Yamane Kwabena Agyapong Ken Ofori Atta and Owusu Sikano. Our Bank of Ghana. Omode yadu omobeye. Until send the pan of free warning Ken Ofori Atta. And son of transfer any pan back. Okita Sikao from Canada. 200 million. Yes, be opa or baby proposal on Nisiko Sikana ba our Bank of Ghana at Daho Sikanini, Medebabisi fertilizer factory. Akufo Addo Ken Ofori Atta, Sisiria Dapa, Yamane Kwabena. We are here, Afriyie or chief of staff from Fubano or Fred another investor in UK. Say Omre Nisika $200 million. And they put it in this January we are. January, February, we are. $200 million. No for Messi fertilizer factory. And also now fees I'm a room and in Kosoro. Investor now Babisi Amman Kwabena in Madame for no. Meneka prebiad one. I'm more about a position. Muko position 200 million. Why the bit here? Says so I'm more Pesika campaign. Akron 4.
Hey,
Abe, information that I have or no. Information that I have or no.
Frank, I saw your baby. Because there be man kind of track obi antimi nya ohwede na nso nipa hu
owu eyeden obi abewu eyeden obi abewu na mo akronfo sa mpomumpomo se nyankopon ma monkwa wo Akufo Addo mpomum se nyankopon ma monkwa mo awudifo sa adwemmorefo sa abe ande put just forget about it me nsuro wu me ni ntama me de bewu me nyanwu enti obi ani wo betimi akumi wa asase so me nsuro wu what the fast or the far for the fine and men through. No, Akufo Addo, if we des or there or that, no, you sorry, what the Nuroso to say, or when you added the Nuroso, oh, Koba be a Wunrugu come near the Diwachi, oh, Baba Demi, right? Oh, that will be also a baby, they should just try. Or anybody who attempt. That's I mean there are security couples who are more frame. Oh Frank, you need a security. Me say no, I don't need any security. I am self-security. Apart from my God. And only God is my security. And we are very conscious and very smart in it. And then Yanko Ponti, Ghana for ne, Emrewa for ne, Mame for ne, Papa for mo bomb paye mama no, Abe don't go there. That alone is more protected than those personal securities and so on. Mumisa Jonkuma. Security bena Jonkuma ni. Ongui. Who was security in Jonkuma? No was the castle in Jonkuma. And they just forget about it. It's God and truth. There is no security on this earth apart from God and truth.
Hey, Frank, what am I doing?
Me say Sammy hunu sang goro boys na omuni adwuma ya omotete ho no and even NPP mpanimfo na ankasa asema make dey aware so omutumi soma mpanimfo no bi ekoka kire se osere me omonka nkire me nanka mintiatia break ose hwe panimpa oya adwuma World Bank ose hwe now Frankie ono no kana kura na me nkosto opo nanka ade ode beye me no ose omu bia no omo ankasa Omuan kasa ejitum or the most of them MPP but what the omo nyina contact ya mame ono kura na otimi boa omo kura ma omo ko UK abrochire ono kura na ejeje visa ema omo ojeje visa de ma omo nya obia o akromfo nko a mebobo or the obia number ne picture or then the picture ne bi or ya no dey asama say Frank these are many omudin koma and obia so omo point to Akufo Addo Obia pointed to Akufo Addo. na oko jina ha no mo ye lanchia no mo heli no omo ye ne se na awurade nyame na mse emire afiri binim Mr. Obi Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ngui Dr. Kwame Nkrumah yenku no nyono kwa na jefa hodie ma Ghana yenku no nto no ntwene. The new Kwame Nkrumah is coming. We are coming. We will tell them the truth. And ye be wa yengu obia be wo bia nkyere bo okrumu ha yensuro bia akromfo awudifo na Mr. Abe, I am telling you I am coming there. Me ba with some of the information no one kasa obeti bi wanum beto. I'm telling you wanum beto. I'm your radio station ko be collapse no ube collapse no enra me ankasa me say man kasa ye say me say I have to stop politics because empanimfo na ye wogide wo mu so mbebo an ha say omo aton Ghana omo aton ye de ye business even contract na me wo ho investor bako omo ko invest in Guinea $5 billion omo ya conference call no they called me na ko omo ba be ye no Ghana ha Akufo Addo kronunti wampene omo de ko Guinea na no ada no omo release sika no eko Guinea representatives no or Ghana ni or ha an investor no on offer on omo ya nyina fam they called me. We had a conference call before they release the money to Guinea. What dem sika dey ko ya ba be si just Jasper company. You say is an Italian company, motor company. Akufo Addo kron nti ya dey ko Togo. Na Ghana for mo firi ha kwa Akoto no Togo ho. Nipa bonefo akromfo na unya enkurasefo ne ahiafo ma. Omo ani so hyehyeehye na omo sanso defend se akromfo wi. Wo kan na ye ma wo nka ya to data 1CD 2CD bia ma omo na omo tete social media di nsenhunu. Na me person NPP for na nkasa de omo ankasa be ba be wo de me soro de wo di NPP mpanfo no bia ka kyerɛ omo sense na me kan to omo nkosi mu for defamation. Me person omo be kwa kosi be. I'll be very happy.
Hey, Frank, my stop. My stop. Now they're fan can is a free gym. Now, hey, Frank, na who car there?
What's there?
Who car?
Me fat rotro. A bad name cram me fat form. Me means Robia. Me buy we as me pefi we as. Member country we ase me de we ase na ekohe kwan na wawu so de sika ko jonkuma o wie sika bebrebe nyina o ko de ko e enya clinic no ko wu toye enya ambulance agema wu ambulance mu no ko wu ye bla munnim we ase ntia eti me ba we ase no if nyankopon se me di ya automatically I'll be rich me for so me home be we sika hia me Jesus Christ ba asase so hu so ye bibi onokura na oneka pre he was preaching the gospel, that is all. I must the truth and preach the gospel. That is all. And yet, say matoka may way if it is mandatory say metobia a brand do what meto. But now I'm not happy and I am not perturbed. Say I must. Even me kase me peka demu anka manya be more than that. Mema me ba ko US onokura ni fie. I'm telling you, onokura so wa fa me se ne ba. O ma me kura ko hwe ni fie. Because of that, what dikin to wa fa ho. Wa se me nkonkotena ho. Instant where no was so to another war with another security. He said, me and I say, oh, I'm okay. When it comes to cars, any fear near the other, Mr. B and they put there, I don't have problem with it. Me and I'm pay. Even we are for camp for the Brena to me, I'm Frank, because especially a brochure for no, be Brena to talk to cars with fear or Munuzu and be on yen. I just over Baka Nusiko. Frank, I'm okay. Please, I know dear Mr. Abe, don't forget about them. You must say Yami be a boy. Yami be a boy. Na Yami no boy na yes ye be leaders no. Or the nipa na ashe yensa. And na wamba yes nipa na Japade say yemfa hwe won. Na den na wo de was say Japade ni nyina. Na obi mpo firi baabi ba be ya mo say yempene. Now I'm telling you, I'm just giving you this information. Any moment from now. What is a Russia? Ya sakena ya deport Ghana for a war. I'm Russia. Men ya shock. Men ya worried. Russia. Na Akufo Addo, mo sorry am so Russian Ukraine war and na cause this problem. Muhu mo. We nim sika Russia from ko mu twama NPP Nanado. Ghana. 10% Akufo Addo penti 1 penny. 10%. Now please Ghana me say what yetete Ghana hakwa na yete certain huo hwini emu. The kind of information that we have. There's nothing like even a coup. Even there is nothing like a coup. Me, I'm a political scientist. Me saw a coup. So, though we have a peaceful coup, an unpeaceful coup, but the Akufo Addo MPP for even unpeaceful coup, unrest coup, kurano below esa Rollins penso kurana na ochiomo and Dr. Kwame Nkrumah or passe preventive detentive law ye chi okura ye ni wasem no e dokura no iswa kete kese Akufo Addo ne MPP mpanifo no bimo nka ye chi omo ye ni omo wasem na nka ten
Frank, asem there be memfa na agro enya hojeso ye nebre wo sapa na ndede asa no hye passing de bia tusua na mon na bebia
asem me investor no owo Dubai se amopa mumisa Ghana immigration officer boss the whole Ghana immigration officer mumisa na asem American na mumisa even Russian commission echo immigration boss no the man is an investor more than a credential and bibia adan oba be invest in the country mo say oba be bia nyuma magana fo anya biaye o say oba be bia nyuma magana fo anya biaye mo say dabi oba obeboa NDC ni John Dramani Mahama mananya adwuma mananwi ni power ntibia manama intini fudi dabre kopem so obeto aba ya ma Russia ni bia sikuru ha
sawo musuro nso
musuro na kronfo ho na onyehu MPP for mu yehu sina nipa wo wiase nyina opon mo kro no bebrebe
this is serious, honestly.
Yeah. Me be see me throw bia no oda fa me number no fa my address ma no omo fa call sem on number I'll meet them. Me kwa me mfa lawyer o. What is MPP for asem on me me mfa lawyer da. Me ankasa me kwa kugina ho na wo so ye lawyer no come and face me.
Wow.
Judge no kura na o tie dum no. Judge na no tie dum no. Ono kura be ye shock. Judge no obeye shock. Awudifo.
Frank,
Mamemfa
wonsi here.
What am I do me throw bompire catch them MPP for so mon konko siu me na same say na make to omo so why?
Maka catch omo.
Catch omo me pese omo ko siu.
We can't wait to see you.
Yes, sadio omo ko siu hopes na doye no. Na hopes na doye kwa ka say omo ato bombo a dynamite wo voter amoche no immediately de ne ko court no me pese nko omo ye bibi na nka ehwe kurumu ha nga wa beti Akufo Addo ko be sore wi akiti the history will repeat itself say ne papa you should go and read ne papa political history and it will be repeated no fi say nyankopon ohoro nanim kwasoro ahu mun ko read Akufo Addo ne papa political history and the history will repeat itself. In Surobia, Apu.
To. Yo, Frank Maminya na in fact, somewhere there, Yabasses Subio, myself from Ebripim na Yaka, me poor my fro, why? Not yet didn't come also about
President Mahama on his campaign tour in Western North region claimed Cocoa Board is on the verge of collapse. Do you believe Cocoa Board has collapsed? And what is your plans for Cocoa Board?
Cocoa Board is on the verge of collapse. I'm not aware of that, but we'll look at that. I cannot comment on that. It's not. I don't know where the data is coming from.
My name is Nana Okesi. I work with Peace FM. You have promised abolishing bed tax, e-levy, flat import duty, one-time tax amnesty, among others. If you really believe that that is what Ghana needs, why should we wait till you become the president and not implement it now?
Was that we wanted to do these tax reforms, import duty, flat tax, tax amnesty, and so on. But why don't I do it now? And why do I want to? I must have a manifesto. Otherwise, if I do everything now, if I could, what will I do when I come into office? I mean, how can you do everything now? Even President Mahama, former president, who was president, I'm only vice president, but he was president. Why didn't he do everything then? I mean, why is he coming back? He had full authority. I don't have full authority. The budget that has gone to Parliament, which has been passed, is not my budget. Is it my budget? It's not my budget. The budget goes in the name of the president. It doesn't go in the name of the vice president. But when you have to think about what new do you want to do, you come up with new ideas. And I've come up with new ideas which I want to do when we come into office. Everyone who is running for office, whether you are Kamala Harris or you are Bawumia, you still have to think about what you have to do when you get into office. And this is why I'm presenting my new ideas as to what to do.
You're waiting for Wayne reporter about the tour so because GC News so and our Heno. So we can subscribe here. Bumudia say we subscribe to the channel. Now, so what like video to give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer for us now. When you be here now, and someone also essentially had the latest and hot news in Kwana the Prempeh. Also, get me actually what Gyamfi and somewhere now. I will comment box over to Kelvin in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.